Hello everyone, it's H here for Countertrend Capital, and on today's video we're looking at Bitcoin. If you want to support us, you can hit the like on this video and subscribe to this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the video itself. So today I got two different counts for Bitcoin. Again, we are still in the same range and nothing has really changed too much, but I wanted to update you on this. So let's start with the bull scenario, in which again from the highs that we had, all-time highs around 3.8k or 74k, whatever you have it on your exchange, coming down to me on this bull scenario fits the best as a WXY. Why is just because again the last structure here looks more like a three wave. Now why is this bull scenario is because again on higher time frame we've been talking about the possibility of having this potentially already finished as a wave 4, so we'd be potentially looking for one more rise to the upside before ending it all together, coming down quite fast rapidly to get some kind of correction of this whole move from the lows that we had. But regardless of higher time frame, let's talk about this case. Now, where is the main areas of interest? Again, currently looking at arithmetic scale and looking at a potential 1-2 scenario. Again, this is the bull scenario, talking about the bear scenario in just a bit. But where do we have main resistances? Above is with this range value area. We can see a range value area high around 68.6k, and that one-to-one extension of this move here around 69.1k. So that area is definitely a resistance area. I don't think we have anything, there's no daily opens or anything there right there, but again we have some up above, but currently again that is the main resistance above. However, I do think that we are coming down very soon, and I don't think we are going to be hitting this if this bull scenario is the one. Now, what am I looking for here on this bull scenario? Again, as we had already a three-way move down, we had a potential five-way complete with divergences. It is possible to get one more high to create some kind of 1-2-1-2 setup, and this would be a 3-4-5, 3-4-5s before getting that wave 2. At this very moment, if we are looking at the retracements, the golden pocket and the point of control of this whole range lines up very well. I think there was also a VWAP here. Again, that is a monthly VWAP that is coming towards closer and closer to that golden pocket as well. So again, this area would be very much of an interest for long setup. Where do you put your stop? Well, this low here. Why? It's just, again, if we go beyond this low, it's no longer a 1-2-1-2. It's confirmed that this impulsive structure here is not the start of anything but the end of something. So that is the bull case and how you would be playing that. Now the bear case is kind of similar. Again, we have that same resistance above us, but again in this scenario we'd be potentially looking at still that even higher time frame idea, where we are still looking for a continuation to the downside, regardless of whether this is a wave 4 or just the start of something even more bearish. We'd be looking for a pivot around that 69k area. Other areas of interest, again as mentioned, are above around the 71k area, with these daily opens and a monthly open. Again, there is loads of areas of interest here, 70.7k all the way to around 72k. That is a lot of interest in that area as well, that I'm expecting to get a reaction if we don't get a reaction at the 1-to-1. The bear idea of overall for Elliott wave is that we would have that C wave complete, and that would be the wave X of this whole thing. If we only get, or if we go beyond the 1-to-1 extension towards these levels up here, then this would be a wave B instead, and the expectation for the structure coming down would be an impulse structure. Now if we are pivoting here and don't reach the 71.3k area, then we are expecting a three-wave structure for that wave Y instead. And yeah, that is the bear scenario still holding up, and once we start to lose these levels again, we can start to think more of this. But I want to be looking for shorts only after hitting that 1-to-1, or even looking for that short opportunity right as we get into this area for potential reaction. But those are the things and areas of interest for me for Bitcoin at this very moment. If you're interested in joining us and joining the Discord and the signals, check us out on countercapital.com. Also, if you're interested in getting small fees on your exchange, check us out on our partner exchange, BitUnix. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and catch you again next time. Bye bye.